Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram Threads is not available in your country or region. First of all, open the App Store. Go into your profile icon from the right corner. Click on your account. From here, click on Country or Region. You can change country or region by clicking on this button. Choose the country or region you want to change with. For example, we select Australia. Then from Terms and Conditions, click on Agree to continue. Now in Payment Method, add your credit or debit card info, number, CVV and all the required data. You can choose PayPal, for which you need to log in to PayPal. Or you can click on None, but click on Credit or Debit Card. Scroll down to Billing Address to enter the required information, like street, postcode, city, state, and phone. Then click on Next. If you don't enter your card details or don't make your payment, it won't go to the next step. So you have to pay in order to change the country or region. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.